Project closure or termination is one of those steps which actually occurs at the end of the project, and we need to discuss it in serious details because today's time has become far more precious commodity than ever before. We can waste time only at the risk of tangible and intangible losses that are painfully real. Opportunities, health, wealth, property, happiness, and an extreme of our own very own survival. So we need to devote some serious time to bring the project closure or termination into focus. By definition, projects are temporary organizations, whether they produce temporary or permanent offerings. For instance, a 5-year labor-intensive construction project of a suspension bridge across a major river between two cities is meant to be permanent product. On the other hand, a knowledge-intensive 3-month software project could lead could result in a database program that is not extended or lasts more than a year before it becomes obsolete. The word temporary has a time dimension etymology. It is derived from the Latin adjective temporarius, meaning lasting for a limited time. The project must be terminated. Whatever the nature of project, timing is a key construct in their management. Unfortunately, a large number of projects are unable to terminate on time. They cost a great amount to the project owners and heavy opportunity cost to the client. Obviously, this is serious enough to deserve our focused attention. The strategic importance of project today is very, very high. Competitive organizations are turning their strategies into reality through innovative projects. Indeed, firms are increasingly adopting multifunctional project teams to accomplish resource constraints, tasks, solve problems, and improve efficiency. This renders such firms more flexible, it makes them responsible to changing external environments and enables them to unleash their innovativeness. In business and commerce, project represents a substantial proportion of the productive efforts of enterprise in every industrial sector. Such a propensity to projectize the organization's operations have ever been spilled into the amount in Indian society, just as organizing by project is becoming fast working philosophy in firms large and small. Projectification, as an extension of this concept, has percolated through the fabric of society. Therefore, we can safely surmise that organized by projects, and projectification are related phenomena. They are here to stay. Organizing by projects thus not mere a fact. It has become increasingly important translating organization strategy into action and promoting competitive performance in rapidly growing marketplace. The three deliverables of a project closes are retrospective, which is basically the lessons from the project learned. In a competitive world awash with ephemeral opportunities, economic vagaries, and occasional windfalls, the commercial motive has become undeniably dri- driving force in the spanning of projects. The inexorable drive to capture new markets, outmaneuver peers, and display rivals compel companies to launch innovative products. The window of opportunity to deliver a unique product to market can be fleeting, and timing becomes the core of strategy any and every. The turbulent computer industry, for instance, the danger of delaying the market entry of software can be tragically real to firms in rat race. Therefore, the necessity to complete the projects as quickly as possible within technological, financial, and human resource constraint is becoming increasingly important. The closures are, again, novel and premature and perpetual. The commissioning phase of a project is not totally the final stage of the project lifecycle, but is also in many ways anticlimactic one. The excitement of Execution phase with its hectic activity and critical dependencies give way to greater focus on efficiency. As we enter the humdrum routine of the checklist, test, troubleshooting, and multiple documentation, the commissioning phase commences with completion of the first major deliverables and finishes when the facility, product, or service is formally handed over to the client. In any event, the commissioning phase carries the highest stake with significant risk impact and severe consequences due to cumulative investment in the project.